Hey guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Gwen Salmorin and I empower Filipinos, especially breadwinners, to live a life of freedom in finance and mindset. So full disclosure, as you can see on the title of this video, we will be talking about insurance and I am affiliated with AIA Philippines as my health protection or insurance partner. So, ang dami kasi nagtatanong sa akin nito na how would you know if you need life insurance? Or do I need life insurance? So actually, to answer your question, hindi lahat ng tao ay required or I would advise to get a life insurance. Pero bakit? No? So alamin muna natin, ano-ano ba yung mga benefits no, na nabibigay ng life insurance. So, una, life insurance gives you guaranteed protection. So, of course, no, if you are someone, especially a breadwinner, na merong nakadepend sa'yo, ibig sabihin, yung kinikita mo is napupunta, let's say, sa pangkain nila, pag-aaral, panggastos. So, ibig sabihin, someone is depending on you. And if nawala yung capability mo to earn income, ibig sabihin may mga taong magsasuffer. Kaya if there are people who are depending on you, you need a guaranteed protection kasi ibig sabihin lang if you are the one who kung may nakadepende sa'yo at nawala yung income mo, so ibig sabihin nga magsasuffer yung mga nakadepende sa'yo. So kailangan mong i-protect yung capability mo na magbigay ng pera or magbigay ng income to those who are depending on you. And this has to be guaranteed because, for example, no, nagpapaaral ka ng anak mo and nawalan ka ng capability na magbigay ng pera pampaaral, so hindi naman titigil, di ba, na mag-aaral sila. Or hindi na titigil na kakain yung family mo. So, ibig sabihin, yung protection no, should be guaranteed kasi guaranteed din nagagastusin mo yung pag-aaral, pangkain, utility, and everything. Number 2, life insurance also acts as income replacement. So, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, di ba, someone is depending on you, ibig sabihin, your income should be guaranteed. And in case nga na mawala ng capability na mag-earn ng income, kailangan meron siyang kapalit. And yung kapalit na yun, una, dapat siyang guaranteed. And then, dito din is, kumbaga, talagang sasapat yung income replacement mo doon sa income na binibigay mo initially. Kasi let's say, if you are earning or the income that you have is 100,000 pesos every month, but then your income replacement is nasa 10,000 pesos lang. So, ibig sabihin, kung paano nyo ginagastos yung 100,000, ang mangyayari ngayon is bababa yung mga capability nyo no, para bumili ng mga bagay na kailangan nyo. Bababa siya by 90,000 pesos. So, kaya kailangan income replacement should also be talaga enough para i-replace talaga niya yung totoo mong income. And pangatlo, no? So, yung mga insurance din kasi is meron siyang, for example, no, na mga guaranteed na cash value growth or minsan meron din yung investment. So, yung life insurance, noon kasi, sabi nung mga kasamahan ko, is talagang walang kino-consider na mga investments, ganyan. So, kung let's say, 100,000 yung ibibigay sa'yo, sabi by after 10 years, 100,000 lang talaga. But with ngayon, meron tinatawag na VUL. So if the value of the investment grows, so mag-grow din yung money mo in life insurance. But then again, it's still a life insurance product, and the cherry on top lang yung investment. So, yun yung mga reasons, or yun yung mga benefits of having a life insurance. And ngayon, ano ba yung concept ng life insurance? Bakit siya nagiging effective, Or ano yung distinguish sa kanya as a financial vehicle from all other financial vehicles? So, actually, whenever I say that, explain this to my clients, simple lang, no? Life insurance is para siyang paluwagan na legal. So, paano 'yon? It's just that mga milyon na tao ang nagko-contribute, no, whether it's monthly, semi-annually, annually, nung kumbaga contribution nila para dun or hulog nila sa paluwagan. Pero dito, instead na let's say may treasurer, 'di ba, sa paluwagan. Dito sa life insurance, merong life insurance company. Tapos, yung life insurance company, actually guys, ang ginagawa lang din naman diyan is nire-reinvest yan somewhere, no? Para din kumita, of course, yung life insurance company sa pera na binibigay natin sa kanila. Ngayon, ang difference with paluwagan and sa life insurance is, sa paluwagan, alam mo kung sino unang susweldo. Sa life insurance, hindi mo alam kung kailan at sino ang unang susweldo. So, kumbaga nagiging probability talaga siya. And syempre, pag sa life insurance, ayaw nating unang sumweldo, 'di ba? No. So, ayaw din naman natin na may mauunang sumweldo kasi may kumbaga no, nagsinungaling na healthy siya, ganyan, no. So, kaya pag mag-a-apply ka din ng life insurance, very important na healthy ka and talagang ina-assess yan, hindi yan basta-basta. So, I hope guys no na nagkaroon kayo ng enlightenment, enlightenment, wow, na ano-ano yung mga benefits ng life insurance, bakit may life insurance, no? And I hope, no, mas ma-appreciate nyo yung value na binibigay nitong life insurance. Actually, in the Philippines, hindi na lang life insurance yung meron. Meron na din tinatawag na health insurance, medical insurance, ganyan. So, kung hindi ka nag-fall dun sa mga benefits na sinabi ko no, about life insurance, kumbari wala naman nakadepende sa'yo, you're just single and all, no, I highly advise for my clients na to still get an insurance pero in the form of health insurance. So ito naman yung tinatawag natin na health insurance, meaning is that in case of critical illness, let's say cancer, heart attack, or stroke, merong ibibigay na pera sa'yo. And it is lump sum. So, lump sum, ibig sabihin, hindi siya nakadepende magkano ang gastos mo sa hospital. Hindi siya nakadepende na if, no, fully paid ka ba, ganyan. So, pag lump sum, ang sinasabi dito is kung magkano yung face amount, if nag-fall under doon sa mga listed na critical illness, is ibibigay ng buo yung pera mo, magkano pa yung gastos mo sa hospital. Or even nga if hindi ka nagpa-hospital, no, but that rarely happens. So, yun yung mga choices, no, and my top pick of my clients will always be health insurance, no, especially for my millennial and Gen Z clients kasi they want to take care of their health and nakita nila yung impact, no, lalo na during the pandemic na ito pala pag nagkasakit, it's not just hundreds of thousands but it's millions. So I hope guys, no, I was able to answer and give you light, no, kung life insurance is for you, or if not, what is other options like health insurance. And again, if you want to have a free session to know more what are your options with AIA Philippines, or you want to consult, no, ano-ano ba yung mga insurances pa out there, there's a link in the description box below for you to know more about it, to book a discovery call with me. So again, thank you so much guys and have a great day. Bye!